In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to post stories on Snapchat web. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, then head over to the official website of Snapchat. Type in snapchat.com.web and search for it. You'll be prompted to enter your Snapchat account's credentials. Type in that and log into your account. After you log in, you'll be directed to this kind of page. Now you'll need to provide camera and microphone access. For that, you can click on this icon given at the top left. Now toggle on for these options, camera and microphone. If your device has multiple cameras connected, such as a built-in webcam or an external webcam, you can choose the one you'd like to use. Next, take a photo or record a short video using the camera controls on Snapchat web. Once you're happy with your connect, click Send To. You'll then see the option to add your snap to My Story or choose other available sharing option, such as Friends Only, depending on your account settings. Select the option you want, then click Send to publish your story. After a few moments, your story will be uploaded and will be visible to the audience you have selected. And that's it. This is how you can easily post a story on Snapchat web. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.